Hello, potential buyers. Another day, another vlog of property. I'm here at Cityville Executive Homes along Congressional Avenue, Quezon City. Ito po, single detached po ito ha. Although maliliit po yung mga catlat. Tara, pasukin po natin. Along Congressional Avenue po yan ha. 3 minutes away from EDSA Muñoz SNR Shopping Center. Ito po, ayan po yung labas ng property. Yan. Kasya lang po dyan, 1 car garage. Ang lot area niyan is 60 square meter. 3-story, single detached. Floor area is 166.50 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bathroom, 1 stock room, 1 dirty kitchen, may lanay, tapos yan, may roof deck. Diyan po pwede mag-barbecue. Nandiyan po yung mga pusa at aso nila, naka-cage. Yan po yung pinaka-roof deck nila. Ang kasama po sa bentahan is 1 split type aircon, 2 window type aircon, 1 double bed, 1 set 6-seaters dining tables. Direct buyer only. Site viewing is upon schedule only. Kasi mahigpit po si seller, lalo na't gated subdivision po yan. Mga small homeowners association po ang nandiyan dyan. Ilan lang po sila dyan. Yan. Tara, lakarin po natin palabas ng property. Flood free po yung location yan ha. Flood free. Ayan po yung 1 parking lang po ang kasya dyan. Ayan. Ayan po yung mismong passage ng property. Ayan. Papalabas na ako sa Cityville Executive Homes. Yan po. Makipag-ugnayan po sa akin pag magsa-site viewing ha. Mag-counter offer na lang po sa seller. Upon site viewing, maayos na ang title niyan. Buhay pa po yung mag-asawang nasa title. Kaya walang problema po yung sa-sign po ng deed of absolute sale. Yan po, palabas na po ako. Yan, nilalakad ko po yung paglabas ng subdivision. Single detached po yan. Parang kasing townhouses pero single detached. Ang minimum catlat po dyan is 60 square meter. Kita nyo naman. Pero ang ganda ng location. Panalo sa location along Congressional Avenue. Yung banda sa paglabas ko ng gate, yung banda sa kanan going Mindanao Avenue and Visayas Avenue. Sa kaliwang side going EDSA Muñoz, Walter Mark, Quezon City. Andun po yung LRT1, Fernando po Jr. LRT. Yan, malapit na ako sa gate. Makipag-ugnayan lang po sa akin. 3-story single detached with roof deck. Lot area 60 square meter. Floor area 166.50 square meter. Single detached for sale. Attention, potential buyer.